In this video, I'll guide you through how to open an xlsx file in LibreOffice. If you've ever found yourself with an xlsx file and wondered how to access it using LibreOffice, you're in the right place. LibreOffice is a powerful, free, and open source office suite that's fully capable of handling various file formats, including those typically associated with Microsoft Office. The first thing you'll want to do is open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to download and install it from the official LibreOffice website. It's a straightforward process, and the software is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once you have LibreOffice installed, launch the application. You'll be greeted with the LibreOffice Start Center, which is a hub for all your document needs. You can see options for creating new documents or opening existing ones right from this central window. Next, head over to the top left corner of the Start Center. You'll notice a menu item labeled Open File. Go ahead and click on it. This action will bring up your File Explorer or Finder window, depending on your operating system. This is where you can navigate through your folders to locate the file you want to open. Now, locate your xlsx file. You might have it saved on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or perhaps in a specific project directory. Once you've found the file, click on it to select it. You'll notice that the Open button in your File Explorer becomes active. With your file selected, go ahead and click Open. At this point, LibreOffice will begin to process and open your xlsx file. While LibreOffice is generally very good at opening xlsx files, occasionally you might notice slight differences in formatting compared to how the file appears in Microsoft Excel. This is because LibreOffice and Excel handle certain elements differently. However, for most cases, especially for straightforward spreadsheets, LibreOffice does an excellent job of maintaining the integrity of the original document. Once your file is open, you can begin working on it just as you would in Excel. You can edit cells, use formulas, and even create charts. LibreOffice offers a robust set of tools that should meet your spreadsheet needs. If you frequently work with xlsx files and LibreOffice, it may be worth spending some time getting familiar with the various features of LibreOffice Calc, the spreadsheet component of the suite, and so on. It's quite powerful and can handle complex tasks. And there you have it, a simple and easy way to open xlsx files using LibreOffice. With just a few clicks, you can access and edit your spreadsheets without the need for costly software. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes working with spreadsheets a little bit easier for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.